chameleon is a person who is duplicitous. They have a sense of self, they know who they are, but they know it's not in line with the dominant social group, and so they hide it so that they can advance socially and profit for themselves financially, kind of like the henchman did with the selfish gain thing, right? So the chameleon is not going to support the hero, even though they might pretend to. If the hero said, "Do you support this positive change I'm making?" the chameleon would say, "Yes, I do." And then they would go run to the villain and tell them everything that the hero said. Because the chameleon is playing both sides of the equation, right? They have given up and they're just trying to fit in so they can get ahead. So they're going along to get along. And their task or goal is to be transparent about who they are, to choose a side one way or the other, and stick with that